If you're looking to collect Google reviews effortlessly and automate the process, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll show you how to collect Google reviews using Housecall Pro, a powerful tool that can help you grow your online presence and reputation quickly. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this feature to get more reviews. And I'll even tell you how to try Housecall Pro for free with some exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. First, let's quickly cover what Housecall Pro is, especially for those who are new to it. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one software that simplifies managing your home service business, from scheduling and dispatching to invoicing and payments. One of the standout features is its review collection tool, which helps you request and track Google reviews from your customers, a key to building trust and growing your business. Now, let's dive into how you can collect Google reviews using Housecall Pro. The process is simple but effective. The software integrates directly with your Google My Business profile, so you can send review requests to your customers right after you've completed a job. First, you'll want to log into Housecall Pro and navigate to the Reviews tab in your dashboard. From there, you can customize your review request template. This is important because personalization can make a big difference in whether your customer takes the time to leave a review. You want to thank them for their business and encourage them to share their positive experience online. Once you've set up your template, the next step is to automate the review requests. Housecall Pro allows you to trigger automatic review requests after each job is completed. You can choose to send these requests via text or email, whichever method your customers prefer. This takes the burden off your shoulders by automatically reminding clients to leave feedback without any extra effort on your part. You can also track the success of your review requests. Housecall Pro's analytics feature helps you see how many review requests were sent, how many were opened, and how many reviews you've received. This data lets you keep tabs on your online reputation and optimize your strategy over time. But here's the best part. Housecall Pro makes it easy to manage multiple review sources, so you're not just limited to Google reviews. You can also gather reviews on Facebook, Yelp, and other platforms, all from the same dashboard. This gives you a comprehensive view of your online presence and helps you stay ahead of the competition. To make this even better, you can add review reminders in your workflow, ensuring that you're always encouraging happy customers to share their thoughts after every successful service. This simple yet effective strategy will gradually build a robust collection of positive reviews. And here's a little bonus tip. With Housecall Pro's review automation, you can even set up a customer loyalty program tied to reviews. For example, you can offer a discount or a small incentive for customers who leave reviews. This can encourage more of your clients to leave positive feedback, which in turn boosts your SEO rankings and enhances your business credibility. Now, if you're excited about these features, here's some great news. You can use Housecall Pro for free through the exclusive link in the description below, and I'll even throw in some special bonuses to help you get the most out of your free trial. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to collect Google reviews using Housecall Pro and how easy it is to automate this process. Remember, reviews are essential for your online reputation, and with Housecall Pro, you're one step closer to generating more positive reviews and growing your business. Make sure you check out the exclusive offer linked below to get started. Thanks for watching and happy review collecting.